I really don't like it, even after we only drew, to make now the story of it. You saw what they did. Why you need my say for it? That it's not like, I understand how you should handle a situation like this, but on this side people will say it was very smart because Millie missed afterwards. On the other side people will say it's not like sportsmen should work. So I don't know. That's how it is. It took a long time. It's not nice, but at the end, 2 yellow cards for them. But with this delay and with the time play of Southampton, and I don't know how long Forster needed altogether for his kicks, 4 minutes, I have to say, that's ambitious. I don't understand, but that's obviously, I have nothing to do with it. I can't decide. Whatever we say, we always look then like bad losers or whatever.